Here I give you a few facts. With all the surveys, it appears that only 30 to 40% of our Jamaat members, especially youth, are praying regularly, five prayers. I'm not talking about congregational prayers. Just 5 prayers as mandated. And if one is very optimist, can extend to 50%. But Khuddam Ahmadiyya survey shows is about 30%. Ansarullah may be a little more. I don't have access to Lajna. But what I understand is not 100%, is not 90%, is not 80%. And this is the second tenet of Islam. When come to Chanda or financial contribution, I intentionally did not use word financial sacrifice because by no means that I can see maybe 1 or 2 individuals in this country who are sacrificing it financially. They have not reached to that point that we call it a sacrifice. But if you take those numbers, 33% of Jamaat earning members are paying 84% of the Chanda, Lazmi Chanda. The rest, 67%, are only paying 17%, are not paying at all. These are the Chanda Jat was prescribed by Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam. And at one point when he prescribed those Chandas in his life, he wrote that I give my Jamaat 3 months, and if they don't give these Chandas or not willing to do it, they will be expelled from the Jamaat. So adamant, and so obviously he wanted to follow this. Another unfortunate fact is, and it's very obvious from looking at the numbers from the financial contributions and wasiyat, that our love for mighty dollar is much stronger than our claim of love for our faith.